Hey guys, what's going on? Rock bottom fishing, and today we're gonna be working on my Jon Boat. You can see in my background. Now we just pressure washed the floor, so everything's on it. So first thing we're gonna have to do is remove all of that.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Alright, we got that done. Well, no we don't, actually, here. Now we have it done. So, what we're going to be doing today is going to be more in the future, like painting it and installing the motor. But what we're doing today is we are going to be sanding it, which you can see over here. You can see yourself right there. We have the sandpaper and the sander that we're going to use, and just in case we need them, we have gloves and finer grit. So we are going to, well, first of all, we're going to move that stuff out of the way. Then we're going to pull the boat out into the sun, so I'm a little bit warmer and I can see a little bit better. I already have a little bit of sanding done to it, as you can see. It didn't come like that. And the other thing we did is we put a metal flooring in so we aren't tripping over all the ribs. And we have a buddy who does welding, and he also has a YouTube channel, so go look at it. It's Jacked Up Fishing. I'll have a link in the description to it. And he did an amazing job welding it with us, and it was all in all really fun. He also hooked me up with this boat, so big thanks to you. And let's get moving this in the sun. I don't have shoes on. I can't do that. I have shoes though. Move! Wheel! There. Professional. If I don't say so myself. Hold it over here. Alright. So, let's get to sanding. So in this time lapse, I was using the normal sander, and the paper just wouldn't stick to it, and I kept on trying to use it, you can see now, and it just kept on flying off. So now I'm doing it by hand, and that's what I'm going to have to do for the rest of it. So it took a long time, so make sure to drop a like. Alright, just to show you something, I'm on my phone in case the quality looks different, but I didn't glue, but the adhesive onto the rubber glove, so I can sand with my hand without having to get a better grip on it every 5 seconds. So yeah, and I'll catch you guys back as soon as I finish. The next thing that we're gonna have to do is get the heat gun and take off these tracker stickers so we can paint it, and the grizzly and all that good stuff. And we already have the one back here almost completely off. We still have to get a little bit off and just sand it one more time after we get the rest of it. Alright, we got the heat gun. One thing that was happening during this, I was really concentrating on this because I haven't really used the heat gun too much, but I was focusing on the doing it. I wasn't talking too much, so if you hear me just zoning out or not talking too much, just that's why. In theory, it's gonna be that easy. Alrighty, and we're just going to try to get this one off now. This one came a lot easier. Let's try not to rip it, and voila! There is another little sticker piece off. And this one. So, this one took a lot less time because it was already hot. Yep. Now the stickers on the right side of the boat, or the starboard, I believe, are removed. Besides this little piece right here. Alrighty, we have the boat sanded. We got the stickers. Sorry if the sun was in your eyes. We have the stickers off, in case you can see them. This is the right side. Got those little bits off. You saw that earlier. But something you did not see me do earlier is these are all off. And I got the bear. It was terrible because see, like right here, all these scratches that you can see. I'll show you all the scratches. Those and all just the bumps, especially right here. All those were just scratches into the sticker, so it just cut the sticker whenever you try to pull it off. Once it got to here, it just like split into a lot of pieces. T wasn't bad, but everything else is difficult. Oh gosh, there's a reflection. I don't like that. And there we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're going to have a lot more on the boat coming up soon. But for right now, I am satisfied with the work that we've done today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!